SkyElements, at its core, is a storytelling company. Our creative team does a fantastic job of maximizing our clients' budgets. We can utilize from 100 drones to 1,000 drones to animate your story and wow your audience.
We merge the worlds of creativity and technology to tell our clients' stories in a way that's never been done before.
It's quite a process to go through with our clients, but we make it smooth and easy for them.
A drone show can be anything you want it to be, from logos to QR codes to seasonal designs. The only limitation is your imagination.
We can take advantage of any space that they're working from. We are very flexible in finding the right space that we can fly from so that we can have a great view for the audience and make the most impact for our shows.
Scale is difficult to convey. The most common thing we hear after a show is, wow, I didn't expect it to be so large.
Making a venue come to life is what we specialize in. We've flown at music festivals, stadiums, open fields. Our team will find the best location to make it a memorable event for your audience. We look forward to telling your story in the sky at your next event.